It's probably the most famous hike in the Brecon Beacons, so the weather is not great. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've seen me before. If you haven't seen me, my name is Kira and I am currently solo travelling around the UK in my self-converted camper van. I am now just arrived in the Brecon Beacons in South Wales. Well, I actually arrived last night, I didn't just arrive. I arrived last night, but I have just driven to the car park for the 4 waterfalls trail, walk, I don't know what it's called. But basically I think it's probably the most famous hike in the Brecon Beacons. It's supposed to take around 3 to 4 hours out and back. I'm not sure if it's out and back or if it's a loop, but it looks very nice. The weather does not look very nice. It has been raining all night and on and off all morning, but it's fine. I've got my waterproofs. At least it means the waterfalls are going to be powerful. So yeah, I've parked in this car park. It was £6 for the day and there is space for the van. I did try, Google Maps was taking me to a different car park, and when I started to drive up the lane there was a sign saying not suitable for camper vans. So I turned around and I came back and I just followed. There was like very obvious signs from the road for parking. So I came there, and yes, this also goes to the waterfalls. So I am here, I am ready, I just had breakfast, and let's go find some waterfalls. So the weather is not great. It is raining and very windy. But, oh well, the trail is so busy though. There's a load of people coming up behind me. The car park is queued to get in. It is bank holiday, so that's why. But yeah. Very moody forest vibes today. This looks ridiculous. Look at this cool forest. The colours don't come up so bright on camera, but it's very green. So I think the first waterfall must be down here. I'm finding it hard to film because of the rain. I don't want my camera to get wet and broken, so I'm not filming very much, unfortunately. Walking on the planks now, across the mud. My nice wet trousers. So I'm at the second set of waterfalls behind me here and behind me here. Very cool. Now I'm just following the river up here to the next waterfall. This is a very nice trail. The rain has almost stopped now, just a tiny bit. It is very, very busy, but like I said earlier, it is Easter bank holiday, so it makes sense that it would be busy. So I'm trying to find the last waterfall now, which is the one that you can walk behind. But I'm kind of confused because Down there, past the two that I just went to, there was a trail that went up like steeply, but it was closed. But this path here that I'm walking along now doesn't have any signs for the waterfall, whereas all the others did. It had like a picture of a waterfall and a sign, like the name and the direction. So now I'm walking this way and it doesn't show anything, so I'm not really sure. Found it. This is the trail going down and I can see the waterfall through the trees. There's quite a lot of steep stairs if you're planning to come here. See it through the trees there? So if you're planning to come here and go behind that waterfall, wear waterproof clothes, because my trousers right now, I don't think you can probably tell on camera, they are completely soaked all the way through and they're sticking to my legs and feel disgusting and freezing cold. So yes, definitely wear completely waterproof clothes if you're planning to go behind that waterfall. That was really nice though, just so busy, like it was just queuing to go behind it, and then behind I couldn't really film much. I tried to film on my phone, obviously I couldn't get the camera out because it would get soaking wet. But yeah, that was actually really nice, and I'm walking back towards the van now. So this is where I've parked up for the night. Got these nice benches. Over there is a cafe and toilets. The cafe is closed. The toilets were open until 7, they've just closed. And yeah, I actually parked here before the last time I came to the Brecon Beacons in September, and it's a good place. It's got full internet signal. If it was warmer weather I could eat out here, but it is not warm. But yeah, toilets, everything's good. So I am back in the van for the evening. That hike was really lovely. Unfortunately it was a bit wet and I couldn't film too much, so sorry that there's not amazing footage from it. I would have liked to film more, but like I said, I didn't want to get the camera wet and ruin it. But yeah, it was really cool. Nice to go behind the waterfall. Very, very busy, but I do recommend that walk if you're coming to the Brecon Beacons. Now I am just back in the van for the evening. I have got some food cooking. I am cooking right now a curry, and I'm just doing some editing while it cooks, and then I will eat, and yeah, that's it for the night, and I'll see you in the morning. So my curry is done. Hopefully it's going to be nice, and I've just got a naan bread. It's not actually a naan bread, it's like a flatbread thing, but close enough. I've been cooking a lot of curries lately because I've been doing a no sugar diet, and curry is something that always tastes good and doesn't need any sugar in it, which isn't always easy to do with cooking because most things have some kind of sugar in. Even things that use stock cubes and stuff have sugar, so yes, curry it is. Yeah, anyways, I'm going to eat now, and I already said goodnight, but good night. Good morning everyone from the Brecon Beacons. This might be the start of a new vlog, or it might be continuing from yesterday. I'm not too sure. I need to see how much footage I have when I edit, but I assume this will be continuing from yesterday because I don't think I filmed very much yesterday. But it's a new day. I have just got ready in the car park where I showed you I stayed last night. I am going to the cafe over there now. I hope it's open. I want to grab a coffee because I'm feeling tired. I have a headache. I'm going to grab a coffee, and then I'm going to go to a waterfall called Melincwrt Falls. It looks like quite a big, you know, high single drop waterfall. It's only a 3-minute drive from here, and then it's supposed to be about a 20 to 25 minute walk to the falls. So yes, it's not raining today. It is cloudy, but no rain, so that's good. Hopefully I won't be getting wet like yesterday. So yes, I'm going to grab my coffee and then I'm going to drive to the car park. So I'm just about to start the walk to the waterfall, parked in this little free car park. There's actually a lot of spaces in here, which I was surprised about. I expected it to be packed because it's still bank holiday. I'm not really sure where to go because there is a path in front of me, but the map shows the waterfall is in that direction, but that direction is the main road. So I don't know if this path maybe loops around and goes that way. But I think I'm going to walk down it anyway and see. And yeah. So this is where I'm going. I'm showing all of the animals that I might see. I found the map, so I do need to cross the road. I am here, entrance here. And then I follow the trail all the way up the river. Nice, nice, nice. So I found the start of the trail, just following the river. It's quite muddy on the floor. And once again I chose to wear cream trousers. Don't know why I keep doing this. Yeah, looks like a very nice, peaceful nature walk. These pools look like they would be nice for a swim. Look at that. So I've only been walking for maybe 5 minutes and I can already see the waterfall right in front of me. So definitely not a 20-minute hike. Yeah, very easy. It's been pretty much flat, very slightly uphill, but literally nothing. Very easy, and I can see the waterfall through the trees. Waterfall is so cool. Look at that. Ooh, sun's coming out. So I came back into the van after that hike, and I've actually just been filming a video for a company that I am working with. So I've been spending the past hour or so filming that. It is starting to get dark now. What is the time? Yeah, it's 6:43. But yeah, we are having the lighter nights now, which is so nice. It's still not, yeah, it's still not even fully dark, and it's 6:45. So that is so nice. The summer is coming. I am so happy, although the weather these past couple of days definitely haven't felt like spring or summer. I think I am supposed to get a bit of sun tomorrow, which will be really nice. I am planning a hike, like a proper hike in the mountains, not more waterfalls. I think I'm done with waterfalls for now. Yeah, so hopefully I will get some sun. That would be really lovely, although it is only supposed to be 8 degrees tomorrow, so not great. But yeah, I'm parked up in the same place where I was parked last night because I think it's nice to have the toilets here, and they have hot water in the toilets. My van does not have hot water, if you didn't know. And there's a cafe there as well if I want to get a coffee or something to eat in the morning. Yeah, the hiking place where I'm going to go tomorrow is a 30-minute drive from here, so I'm going to wake up early and drive there. But for now, I'm just going to, if you didn't see, I cooked a curry last night. I have a load of that left, so I'm going to heat that up and eat that again tonight. And then I'm just going to do some editing and whatever, chill for the evening. So I will probably end this vlog here. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please give me a like. Please hype the video. If you would like to leave me a comment, and I really appreciate it. I love reading your comments and I always reply to them. So yes, What else was I going to say? I was going to say something. Oh yes, if you want to suggest anywhere for me to go, please give me suggestions. I know people did give me suggestions before about Cornwall and Devon and places like that. I'm not ignoring you. I am planning to go there, but I am waiting for the weather to get nicer, because obviously beach places, I feel like you need some nice weather, some warmth and some sun, whereas the mountains are okay in the cold. So yes, any suggestions are very much appreciated, and thank you for watching, and goodbye. How nice is this little waterfall? So it is very, very windy, and the wind is very cold. So now I am heading up to the top. It's Easter today, by the way. I don't know if I said that. Easter Sunday, so happy Easter, everyone. So I reached the summit.